Let's do a thought experiment. Imagine a red button in front of you. If you press it, not knowing what it does, would you be guilty? If someone was to die as a consequence, what if it triggers nuclear Armageddon without you realizing? Would you be to blame? Most would agree, ignorance is not an excuse. Not knowing what you did or what it will cause doesn't excuse you from the consequences. We often ask, why does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punish people in hell for eternity? The reality is, everyone bears the consequence of what they did through the infinite justice of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Think of that Marvel movie where Thanos clicks his fingers and half of existence vanishes. Though he thought it was merciful, everyone saw it as pure evil. The only sin that carries eternal punishment is denying Allah's existence or associating a partner with him. Why? Because the consequence is eternal. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sustains the heavens and the earth. He says, إن الله يمسك السماوات والأرض أن تزولا ولئن زالتا إن أمسكهما من أحد من بعده إنه كان حليما غفورا. Indeed, it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who holds the heavens and the earth, so they do not cease. And if they should cease, no one could hold them after him. Indeed, he is forbearing, forgiving. Believing he doesn't exist is, in effect, causing the destruction of everything. And how vast is creation? You must bear the consequence of everything undone or killed through that disbelief. You see, it's like pressing the red button, causing everything to disappear. And once it's disappeared, no one can bring it back together. Your disbelief is causing the destruction of everything, and that's why its consequence is eternal. And what about believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala but associating a partner with him? The impact is the same. وَلَوْ كَانَ فِيهِمَا آلِهَةٌ إِلَّا اللَّهُ لَفَسَدَتَا. Had there been within the heavens and the earth gods besides Allah, the universe would have been ruined. Why? If one God wills something and the other disagrees, either one gets their way, making the other not a true God, or the entire cosmos collapses into perpetual conflict. The point is that you have free will. Your choice to disbelieve, even if unappreciated, has consequences, and those consequences are on your shoulders. But here is the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَمَا كُنَّا مُعَذِّبِينَ حَتَّى نَبْعَثَ رَسُولًا. And we never punish until we have sent a messenger. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will only hold you accountable if you know what you're doing. If you were to push the red button without having been warned about it, you're not accountable. He will not punish ignorance, only the willing choice to disbelieve, with full awareness of its consequences. Paradise and hell are choices, and the hereafter is nothing more than the bearing of our choices and their consequences.